Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply AI photo filters in Dzine AI. This tool makes it super easy to give your images that pro level touch. First, head over to Dzine.ai and sign in or create a free account. Then here in the dashboard, select the photo editor or the AI filter feature, then upload an image you want to enhance. Once your image is loaded, browse through the available AI filters, and then the Design AI offers a wide variety from vintage looks, cinematic moods, and vivid color boosts to clean and minimalist edits. Then click on any filter to preview it in real time on your photo. You can fine tune the intensity of each effect with adjust slider and making it bold or subtle as you like. And once you're happy with the result, hit download and save your enhanced image in high quality, ready to share on your socials, portfolio, or project. It is fast, beginner friendly, and totally free to start. So, if you want your images to stand out without complicated editing software, Design AI is definitely worth a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.